Hey, it's Ryan here from Art from a Vegan Heart, and I just wanted to make a quick video explaining why it is you might want to sponsor me here on Patreon.com. I'm super fortunate in that my wife is very supportive of me devoting my life to fighting for animal rights. As a family, we've made the conscious decision to do without having a second income so that I can devote my time to fighting for animal rights, and never for a minute have we regretted the financial impact and sacrifice that requires. Where Patreon.com and you come in is by sponsoring me for $1 a month or $10 a month or whatever it is you can afford. You help me to increase the reach of my voice and the impact of my efforts, and to fund different efforts that I might not be able to do without your help. So together, I truly believe that we can reach more people and hasten the day when animal abuse, animal agriculture, and all the awful things that are happening to animals out there will finally come to an end. So join me in this effort, and let's bring an end to animal abuse.